Today, let's break down the past indefinite tense in the simplest way possible. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use it confidently in your daily conversations and writing. The past indefinite tense describes any action that happened and finished in the past. For example, she cooked dinner. This means the action of cooking is complete and took place before now. Let's look at how to form sentences. For positive sentences, use subject plus the second form of the verb plus object. For example, he visited his friend. For negative sentences, use subject plus did not plus the base form of the verb plus object. For example, they did not play football. For questions, start with did, then the subject, then the base form of the verb and object. For example, did you go to the party? Here are some daily life examples. I went to school yesterday. She called me last night. We did not watch TV. Did he complete his homework? All these use the past indefinite tense. Remember, use the second form of the verb for positives and did or did not plus base form for negatives and questions. Try writing 2 sentences in past indefinite tense in the comments.